so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side.
Hi, my name is Roxy. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel where I make videos about planning, lifestyle, and books. And today I'm here with an unboxing video and I'm so excited. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and the like button. I would appreciate it so much. Leave a green heart down below in the comments to let me know that you're here. And let's go ahead and jump into the video. So I recently made a video doing a luxury unboxing, and it was 2 SLGs that I really wanted. And I made a video about my luxury wish list, and I did a what's in my bag. So I'm gonna link all of those videos down below. But if you watch those videos, you would know there are some bags that I have really been wanting and I've been saving for years. So one bag in particular, it was the first bag on my wish list. I wanted this bag so bad, you guys. And one of my viewers actually mentioned that they went ahead and called because the bag is always out of stock. So they went ahead and just called the store and they were able to get their bag really fast. So I took your advice, girl, and I got my bag. I got my bag. This is it. Ah! If you're new to my channel, I scream sometimes, and I'm gonna try to keep it low, but we're gonna go ahead and jump into this box. I can't show you the other side because my address is on there a lot. It's on there a few times. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I am so excited. This is my first luxury handbag ever in life. So oh my gosh, you guys. So it's open like, all right. So it opens like this. It's wrapped so pretty. Oh my gosh. I need a thumbnail. Okay, so it comes with like the receipt and everything. Can you guys guess what bag it is? Should I give you a moment to like guess? If you watch my other videos, you should definitely know what bag this is. Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my goodness, you guys. You guys, I can't believe it. Like, I feel like I need another picture. Hold on. Y'all, I'm like taking massive amounts of selfies. Okay, so let's bring us back. We're here, you guys. So I have my box, my box. So let's get into this box. I know some people don't even untie the straps. I couldn't even think that far to not do it. I did it. Ah! Okay. All right, so this box is nice. Oh my gosh. All right, so this is the bag, and it's dust bag. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This is, wait. Hold on. Is that it? Okay, so this is it. This is her. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. They have this. Oh my goodness. It's a Speedy 25 bandolier. Bandolier. Oh wow. This is my bandolier strap. Where was she made? Hold on. Oh, what's in here? It was made in the USA. It says made in USA from imported materials and components. Am I disappointed? Yes. I'm a little disappointed that it's made in the US. I am. I don't know. I wanted my first bag to be made in France. I did. But This is her. This is she. Oh my, it's so little. Ah, I love it. I feel like I need to inspect it. There's like some random white stuff right here. Maybe it's glue, I don't know. Oh, it's scratched. Okay, like there was something hanging from it. I don't know. Okay, let me rub it. Let me rub it and see what happens. All right. It's definitely like there's some creasing right here, I guess, from where they fold it when they send it to you. Like, I don't know. Could that crease it? I don't know. It's creased right here. Like there's some creasing. So maybe that's normal. I don't even know if you can see it. It's not like, it's like right here. So I don't know if you can see it on camera, but that might be normal. Girl, this is my first bag. I don't know. But yeah, this is it. I thought I'd be so much more excited. I thought I'd be way more excited. Maybe it just hasn't settled in yet. I just don't know, you guys. Someone might say I'm like complaining. I just feel like it should have come with like paper on it. This should have come in like the dust bag. I don't know. I don't think I'm keeping it, you guys. But this was my first Louis Vuitton handbag unboxing for what it's worth. And this is the bag that I really, really want. So this is it, you guys. I'm the owner of a Speedy 25 Bandolier Damier Ebene canvas, and I will put all the information down below for like the specs and the price. So I'll put the link down below with that information. I love this bag. I like the size. It's such a cute little size. I'll stand up. It's such a cute little like size that you can just, you know, carry. You can't put it on your shoulder, but it fits perfectly like in the crook of my arm here. And inside we have this just red, I don't know what that is, fabric. There's a zipper pocket here. It's tiny though. I don't really know what you can fit in here, but it's a little zipper pocket. It goes like to my knuckles. And yeah, there's a D-ring in here, I guess, for you to put like your keys or whatever. And it comes with this strap so you can carry it. I'm gonna have to do like a better view for you to see, I think. So you can carry it here, you can carry it crossbody. It's like such a good little size. I love it. I love the size of the bag. So that is that. I don't know. It looks decent. It's kind of dull. I expected the gold to be a little brighter, but it's definitely a very muted type of gold. And overall, I feel like I don't feel excited about this, you guys. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. But this is the bag. And I had a really good experience. Of course, this is my first time calling Louis Vuitton. I have gone in store before and had a great experience in Ohio. This is my first time calling. The sales associate's name was Terrence, and he was super friendly, super helpful, super informative. So that was great. And yeah, overall I had a really good buying experience. It makes me want to buy more things. Like, I've literally saved up for all of my bags. I just don't want to order them online. I don't know, I would rather like go in the store and pick my bag out. But yeah, so this is my bag, and thank you so much for watching, you guys. Oh my gosh, I just feel like I should be so much more excited. I was so excited about my little SLGs. I don't know, should I keep it? Do you guys think I should keep it? Let me know down below in the comments. Also, let me know in the comments what your first bag was. And if you just want to comment to let me know you're here, again, leave me a green heart to let me know you made it to this place. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye.